Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Elastico trick in FIFA 23. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to get 5-star player, because it only works with these players. And how to check it, simply open the skill moves help on the practice arena, and when we go for the 5 stars moves, as you can see, the Elastico is right here. It's not on the 4 stars, 3 stars or below. It only works for the players with the 5-star tricks. So when we are running on this side, we have to just pull down the right stick and then make half of the wheel. One more time. Take a look, running down and half of the wheel, and that's Elastico. When you are running on the opposite side, you have to just move this stick to the up and then make half of the wheel. You have to make it fast, because when you make it a little bit slower, instead of that you will get the ball roll. Take a look, I'm gonna hold for a half of the second and it will be ball roll, as you can see. So we have to make it faster. Quick fingers, that's essential to make this trick. But when you go to the practice arena, I guess 5 minutes and you will be able to make it on the both sides. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.